features are implemented.
We use SSL encryption, secure payments, gateways, firewall, and restricted admins access to protect customers' data.
Do you have a data breach response plan?
We have basic procedures, but we are still finalizing a final written breach response plan.
Under GDPR, breaches must be reported within 72 hours. Are you ready to comply?
Yes, we acknowledge the requirements and will ensure proper reporting and documentation.
We recommend completing your breach response plan and documenting all procedures.
Thank you. We will implement improvements before expanding the email.
I am Hannah Castro and my role is auditor.
I, Daniel Salamin Ambria, and my role is auditor.
I am Hannah May Osilino and my role is IT manager.
I am Daisy Meter KP